Market development funds are critical for driving partner marketing success, but without strong governance, they often suffer from inconsistent allocation, manual approvals, and limited visibility into return on investment. ZINFI's Market Development Fund Management is powered by a flexible MDF rules engine that automates eligibility, entitlement, allocation, and incentive calculations, ensuring MDF programs are consistent, scalable, and measurable. At the core of MDF management is the MDF rules engine, which defines who is eligible, how incentives are calculated, and when funds are allocated. These rules dynamically control MDF behavior across funds, plans, and claims, eliminating the need for manual enforcement. The rules engine also supports target-based incentives, enabling MDF entitlements to scale based on sales performance. Contribution rules define how MDF investments are shared between OEMs and partners, ensuring transparency and predictable co-funding. Based on the MDF rules engine and contribution logic, funds are allocated at the partner level with full financial visibility. Funds can be loaded quarterly or annually, with complete tracking of admin contribution and incentive usage. MDF plans allow partners to propose marketing initiatives aligned with approved rules, budgets, and expected ROI. Activities define the specific marketing actions eligible for MDF funding, ensuring consistent alignment with program objectives. Once activities are completed, partners submit MDF claims for reimbursement. Each claim is validated against the MDF rules engine to ensure compliance. When timelines change, extension requests allow partners to request additional submission windows while maintaining approval control. MDF reports provide complete visibility into fund utilization, partner performance, and return on investment, all driven by rule-based data. With a powerful MDF rules engine at its core, ZINFI Market Development Fund Management ensures controlled investment, faster execution, compliant reimbursements, and measurable ROI across the entire partner ecosystem.